Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Entrada 3100FB Class C Motorhome. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the inside and the outside of this RV, and then we will close it up at the end and show you what it looks like closed also. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we're now up inside the brand new 2023 Entrada 3100FB Motorhome here. We're going to start here in the front, and then we'll kind of spin our way back around. So up in the very front of the RV, you have a little loft area up here. There's a window on each side of the loft, and those do open. It does have the little removable section here for travel, so that you got a little more headroom and stuff when you are driving. Ladder to help you get up into the little loft area. USB charger ports, little cubby hole area here. 12-volt television on a big swing arm. And then a little curtain thing here, which actually goes around the cab area there to give you privacy. You have a little jackknife sofa here. There is some storage underneath it here. This will flip down into a small bed. It's more for kids. It'd be a little short for an adult, but you could try to sleep there. Some overhead cabinet space above the sofa. And then there's also electric outlet and USB charger ports on the bottom of the cabinet. Big window overlooking the campsite area of the RV. That window opens. You have a traditional booth style dinette. There's some pull-out drawers below there as well. This booth will also go down and make into a bed for an extra guest or two. Overhead cabinets above that area. And again, there is electric outlet and USB charger port on the bottom of those cabinets. Countertop extension kind of flips up and down. Electric outlet on the end there. High-rise spring sprayer faucet. And then you have a large undermount sink. Over at your entry door area, there's an electric box with the breakers and fuses, a solar charge controller down there. This one was ordered with the optional auto level jack system. You got your battery connect down there and awning button, light switch there. Heat duct blowing out right there next to the door as well. Up above here, you have a little more cabinet space, and then you have your Furrion stereo here. And then you have your control center here as well. We'll go over that when we come back in to close it up here in just a bit. You have the Everchill 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. Then you have a little bit of pantry and cabinet space or drawer space there as well. Kind of looking over here at the kitchen area. You have convection microwave, 3-burner gas stove top with a flip up and down glass lid, some storage underneath that sink area. Little overhead cabinet space again. Two bunks. There's a drawer under the bottom bunks here. You have two drawers down there. Obviously, you can see another little ladder here to get you up onto the top bunk. Now, there are TV hookups, USB charger port, and electric outlet at each bunk. So if you wanted to get you a small, say maybe 19-inch flat screen TV and stick there, you could do so. Both of the windows at the bunk area do also open. Now over here we have our bathroom area. So you have porcelain foot flush toilet. Panning on up here, you have the little vent fan, hood vent fan there. Traditional wood medicine cabinet here, electric outlet, little sink area there, and some storage space down below. You have the glassed-in shower area here also. Let's get ourselves spun around here so you can see this a little better. Step-in shower. And it also has the skylight up above. So you can get in and out of the bathroom either through basically the kitchen area here or the bedroom area. So you have a sliding door to block off your master bedroom from this area. Queen size bed. You have some overhead cabinet space. Little end table on this side, heat duct coming out the side of that cabinet also. There is an electric outlet and USB charger port on the bottom of each side of the cabinet there. Big window overlooking the rear section of the RV. Air conditioner back here. You have quite a few dresser drawers, a little bit of hanging space here. There's also TV area back here. There's electric outlet, cable outlet stuff there. So if you wanted to do a TV back here, you could. Let's get spun around here so you can see this a little bit better. Now this right here is one big slide out. So basically from this TV area all the way up to that dinette area, you'll see it better when we get outside, is one big super slide. It's a pretty cool setup. All right, we're gonna head outside. I want to show you around the outside of the RV, and then we will come on back in and close it up. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we're back on the outside of the brand new 2023 Entrada 3100FB here. We're gonna start here on the door side, kind of spin our way around. So first things up, we have power awning, LED light strip built in there close to the body of the RV. You have adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff. Deep tint safety glass windows. Pretty large storage compartments here on the front section. There's also one of your side cameras down below. Traditional RV entry door and screen door does have a window in it. Good size grab handle there to help you get in and out. And located next to that grab handle there, little advertisement sticker there reminding you that this is Azdel composite material on the RV instead of a wood Luan backer. So what that means is the fiberglass exterior is glued to the Azdel in place of wood so it won't rot out. It's a little bit better sound deadener and also a little bit better insulator. Check out the Azdel on board website for more details on that, but that's a nice improvement to the construction of a fiberglass camper. Aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewalls. You do have your propane tank down below right here. Just above that, you have your furnace exhaust. You also have an electric outlet and a cable outlet there. So if you wanted to place a TV out here under your awning, watch the game on the weekend or something, you could do so. You have your 6-gallon gas and electric water heater located right here, and your freshwater tank gravity fill is right here as well. A good sized storage compartment area below that. Then you have another big storage compartment area back here. Step back here so you can see down the whole side a little better. Traditional flat back rear end, 4-inch square tube bumper. The unit has a hitch on the back, and this hitch is, and the camper itself is rated to tow up to 7,500 pounds. Again, this is on the F450 chassis, 7.3 liter gas motor. So it's got a pretty good amount of tow capacity available. You have a 7-way Bargman wiring plug here, and now it doesn't have a brake control or anything like that built into it. If you wanted to do that, you'd have to do that aftermarket to tow like another camper behind it or something. But it is pre-wired for your traditional 7-way without the brake control. There's also a gas hookup down there. So you could plug in like a portable grill if you wanted to. Apparently we have a pretty loud helicopter flying over. So give us just a second here. We'll get around to the other side. All right, so over here on this side, we have a large super slide out. This is on the Slim Rack slide system by Lippert. You have a large slide out awning cover to cover the top of it. Those are nice to have. Helps shade the rooms, helps repel water, helps keep like leaves and twigs and stuff off the top. So good feature, that's standard on the RV. There's also a little light over here, so if you're over here at night needing to see something, you can kind of flip that on, check things out. The other side of the rear storage compartment here, then you do have your dump area here on this side of the compartment. Also, your city water inlet and black tank flush is right here as well. But your gray and black dump, everything comes out of this one section. Just in front of that, you have your gas fill up and your cable inlet. And then just a little bit further, we have our 50 amp electric detachable cord here. Now this cord stretches out probably, I'd say close to 25 feet roughly. Maybe 30, but 25 should be pretty good. Down below, you have a long storage compartment under here. Then just in front, we have another small storage compartment up here. And then just in front of that, we have our generator. Now this is a 5,500 watt generator, and this is powered by Yamaha. It has a Yamaha motor, NTP I think it's actually called, but pretty nice generator. They've been using this on the Forest River XLRs, some other stuff as well. And this right here has a remote start and a pull start as well, along with obviously the electric start. So that's a nice feature to have, the extra little pull start feature, just so that you can try to fire it up in case your batteries were to die on you. Quick picture here popping up of the roof so you can kind of check that out. You have things up there like your ACs, a solar panel, plumbing stack vents, skylights, all that type of stuff. You do got to get up there from time to time and check the seams and seals and all that type of stuff on any roof, whether it's a TPO, vinyl, fiberglass, whatever. They all have these same type of holes on them, and you got to get up there and inspect them from time to time. Again, Ford E450 chassis here. Up this direction here, we have a little cab area here. Kind of see getting in here. The battery connect to connect the house batteries to the engine battery kind of setup. So in case the engine battery was to be dead, you could try to use the house batteries. Traditional Ford front end as far as the cluster gauge and all that type of stuff goes. Nothing super fancy here. Power windows and door locks. Nice heavy duty fiberglass front cap. Pop the hood up here in the picture so you kind of see what that looks like a little bit underneath of there. Again, 7.3 liter gas motor. Overall, really nice, affordable Class C motorhome here. Great little family unit, lots of sleeping capacity. Now we're gonna head back inside. I wanna close this thing up for you, show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are back up inside the brand new 2023 Entrada 3100FB Class C motorhome here. And I want to close up this big slide out for you, show you what it looks like all closed up. So when you are ready to close things up, you have to come back over here to your main control panel. And on this control panel, you have your in and out slide button, the driver's side rear docking light here, a couple interior light switches. You have your Arctic pack switch for your 12-volt tank heaters, water pump switch if you have to use your portable water instead of city water, gas water heater button here, electric switch outside, start stop and hour meter for the generator. Then you have your monitor panels here for your propane, battery, fresh, black, gray, and galley water tanks, all right here. So when you're ready to bring this thing in, you have to make sure, the emergency brake's on, make sure your ignition key is in the accessory mode. Very important to do so. And then all you got to do, hit the button. The room will come straight in and go straight out. It's a 12 volt powered slide motor. And again, it just kind of comes straight in, straight out. Nothing real fancy. And once it's all the way in, you can kind of see it's pretty snug fit. You're not really going back your hallway area because the bunks and stuff are blocking it off. However, this is part of the reason they make it a walk-through bathroom, so you can still come through your bathroom and get to your bedroom. So you could come back here and sleep if you needed to, if you're at a rest area or something. You're not really getting into much of your cabinetry and stuff back here, but you still could come back here and sleep if you needed to. You still have full access to your bathroom. Nothing really interfering there. The kids could still climb into their bunks. You could still cook here if you needed to, use your sink, get to your refrigerator. You could pretty much do everything except walk down the hallway area when it's all closed up. Kind of see what this all looks like here. Got a little bit of room to scoot your seat back a little bit. While we're looking at things here, you kind of see what your cluster stuff looks like turned on, where I didn't have it on earlier. And then your radio is also your side and backup cameras as well. USB charger ports up here, 12-volt outlet up here, obviously heat and air conditioning, all that type of stuff. And the radio you can connect through Bluetooth for your phone and stuff as well, like an Apple CarPlay or Android Auto type of stuff. So you got a few different things you can do up here. And again, when you're driving, make sure if you do get this spin around seat feature, you are facing forward. All right, guys, thanks for taking the time to watch my RV videos. I really do appreciate it. Be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation.